Hi friends, Anu here for HDTechVideo. Today I'm going to flash Darky ROM 3 for Galaxy S3 GTI 9300. It's based on Android 4.0.4 XSBLFB. The installation procedure is simple. If you have clockwork mode recovery, then copy the downloaded ROM into internal SD card. I have the zip file into my internal SD card. Now boot into recovery. So switch off the phone. Then hold volume up, home, and then power on. Now the phone will boot into recovery. Do a full wipe, that is wipe data bar factory reset. Wipe cache partition. Go to advanced and then wipe Dalvy cache. Now install zip from SD card. Choose zip from internal SD card and select Darky ROM 3. The installation may take time. Now the installation finished. Now we can reboot. The first boot will take time, so be patient. Now the phone is rebooted. Now we can check the version. It's on Android 4.0.4 baseband access LFB and SIA 1.3.7 kernel, Darky ROM 3 XSBLFB. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Then please do rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you.